नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KTADC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the KTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the oath for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Sankri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Ramchara Jampui ST.
Ang muncang Bhavaranjan Riyam, KTADC di sini atau dengan member sekretariat Tubagrani Mumbai, semai kamu, dia ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain diskusi kami putih dia pakai ini apa dia kamu mengenai di bawah hati.
Now, I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar, Chun Bashma. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur. Now, I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
Angnoka. Ronald Lero, you to Mabadi May. Ronald Exhibition May. Norka.
Now, I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Pai Chamanu. Now, I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chelenka.
Norka. Ani ঠিক গান গান এই
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশাত করছি আগামী দেবের বোঝেন উত্তর নামে খবর বলি দমর মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে একামনে প্রতিদিন দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈকে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বলি দমর প্রতিদিন বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanachara Kachuchara.
hanya saya buku ini.
Ang Musang Direktur Departemen Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ne Adong Unggui Tongkat Maya Dulu Kaitoni Unggui Sumai Kangwis Hado Kurakti Koito Kenargui Sumai Kangwis Hado Barot Elembakni Disingti Kada Kerongno Koito Kubui Orok Komoi Ang Wabjagui Kongmani Samungno Abai Kubai Tangan
Now I call upon Sri Katrachur Yang, 8 Ganganagar Gandachara.
out hari di sekitar. Sama.
Ang Musang Sampradirian Tripura Tribal Areas Nama District Council ni keha tui pangpiye tungyok paimon yok wo Ishonno duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono se krok piye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tungyok mo pa kerong rai darauno mukha bai hatiye mukhrong bom jaye ani satawo pau tingyok mo samrong no ang habai kubai ke tangai
Oi, Bipin. Oi, Bipin.
Now, I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
Out kita.
ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui Chonggamani Yabulo Mahaduni Mungui Sumai Tangui Sajawo Gerakke Putu Nargui Sumai Tangui Sajawo Barokni Baki Pisingkui Hajar Kerango Putu Kubui Horok Komui Ado Boksagui Tongmani Samungno Habai Kubai Tangai Hambai
Nah gitu.
Now, I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Champa.
Nuk jaga. Markhala. Mana ni kan? Dari mana? Namanya dulu.
Ang Muchang Rajeshwar Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui Chonggamani Yabulo Kaiturnis Sumai Tangui Sadawo Gerakke Putu Nargui Sumai Tangui Sadawo Barok Nyambaki Singkui Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui Barong Komui Anu Boktekna Tongmani Samungno Habai Kubai Tangai Amai
Sampai nung ha. Oi. Siyan na ba yun?
Now, I call upon Sri Utpadya Verma, 11 Maharani Purturiama.
ang Municipal Development, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, adong isonggat at Yakubo. Terakhir Kutunarabik Maitanis Tagaw. Orang Elamat di Singti Hadak Erono, Kuitu Kui. Orang Omoi, anak Poksak Panis Kamu, Nok Habek Kubai Kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James de Burma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, myself, James de Burma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adang Ungwi, Chongzakmaya Gula, Taikonis Sumai Tangui, Grakya Pertonarabin, Sumai Tangui Hazao, Bharat Elembakni, Bisimpu, Hazak Kerala, Perto Kumui, Khorok Bongui, Ana Bakzagui, Dongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Wada Johambai.
Kenal sini. Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra de Burma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gitu. Yang mungkin disiplin yang
Ang Musang Ravindra de Burma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungwi, Tongzakma Yakulo, Taikoni Mungui, Samai Tangis Hao, Bharat Elembakni, Isingkui, Hadak Kerano, Koito Hobui, Korok Komui, Ano Boksagui, Tongmani, Samuno, Sabai, Kubai, Tangai. Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra de Burma, 14, Vijan Nagar, Gorki Nagar.
I, Musang, Union de Burma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous Council, Adong Ungwi, Tongzakma Yakulo, Taikonis Sumai Tangai, Sajawo, Virat Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangis Sajawo, Bharat Elembakni Bisimpi, Hazak Kerala, Poito Kupui, Korokomui, Amo Boksagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai, Tangai, Abai.
Timberland.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Devarma, 15 Jirania ST.
Okay. Look, jump. Bro. Look camera.
Namaskar. Jagadish Devarma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Ado Mungui, Tongkapa Yaglo, Ishmagni Munti Sumaitani, Sadao, Trakhe Putu Nargo, Sumaitani Sadao, Bhalo, Erematni, Ishimti, Haza, Yaramo, Putu Kubui, Hama Bonui, Ano, Wazari Tamani, Samuno, Kabai, Kubai, Tamai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Devarma, 16 Mandai Nagar, Pulinpur.
and Muslim the former, the tribal areas from District Council, other Hungary, Hungaria Block, Kaidane Hungary, Sumaitani, Sadavo, Trakhe Potumarade, Sumaitani, Sadavo, Barakilabadi, Kishinti, Azak Kerano, Witu Kubui, Parakomi, and Bogzakuni, Amani Samuno, Abetubai, and Amber.
Now, I call upon Srimati Jita Devarma, 17 Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar ST.
Masangdi kita Devarma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni, Adamjut Munggai, Chongdapani Yagulo, Kaidoni Munggai, Berakhe Samai Takni Adawo, Barat Hakotoni Kilembak ni Bishingtui, Kajak Keramo Puito Sawi, Kubui Korok Bomoi, Ano Bogdamani Baca Ebas Kamuno, Habai Kubaino Takni, Josono.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Devarma, 18 Takar Jala, Jampu Jala.
Tripura Sab Pai Kosa Angkor Foksam Adon Ungle Somdama Yak Kaitoni Sado Trakwe Poito Narake Baron Elam Bab Isimti Kata Kironi Poito Ubui Pop Moropai Anok Pop Somani Sabai Upai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Burma, 19 Amtali, Golaghat.
I, Muchang Buddha Kumar Dev Burma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungle, Somjakma Yagulo, Kaituni Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Berakhe Puitu Naragwe, Samai Tangle, Hazaro, Baron Elam Magna Bishinkoi, Hazak Kerono, Puitu Kubui, Hor Bomui, Anu, Boksari, Palmane, Hamono, Habai Kukai Tangle. Belay.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Pillaraka.
Ang Poteton Domatia. Di sini atong ang maya kolot, pangdamaya kolot matai kotor, papa koryani mangui, semai tangui sadau, para kotor ni elembak, kata kerana ang potok payu, di ani sakau bangkat kodano, kabai kubai, bakro kongui samantanai, amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, 21 Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22 Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Muchang David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Somjak Adam Ungui Somjakma Yagulo Sini Mutairot Tay Bala Horicham Tay Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Kuitanaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barot Hakutorni Elam Baku Bisingkui Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Borsali Komani Samungno Khabai Kubai Tangai Jai Bugala, Jai Prasad, Jai Khansa, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23 Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24 Rahima Vedi.
Musang Bahanga Tripura, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ने आधा हुए चंद्रमा यागलो, काइटोनिस समाई तांगे साधवो, ग्राफिक कोटो नारगो समाई तांगे साधवो, बारह एलन बागने उसी ते खाजानी खाजक केरंगा कोटो दुबई, फरक बोंबो यानो बांजागई कम्पनी सामुना खाबाई दुबई काना.
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbasa.
आं सुजय उत्सय त्रिपुरा ट्राइबल एरियाज अटोनोमस डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल नि पहा तुई फाम साये लायना विश्वनि मुंबाई सयत खावय आं बय खाथु मुंबाई आके खारुये इंडिया हामी रयतो रयां तंगुदय मानिनाय आके आं जे तांना खायदुंबि आबनो आं खाथि चुप मुंबाई साबुन थानाय खाथा
Now, I call upon Sri Kenaram Riyang 26, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mohipur, Puratali.
Tentang Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui Songsak Mayagulo Kaitani Mungui Samai Kangai Sazago Parot Elebak Dibisikte Saza Kerokno Puiju Kubui Korak Kubui Ano Bokzabui Kompani Sabungno Kabai Kubai Kanai Abai
Now, I call upon Sri Panjam Mom 28 Silachari Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the PTIDC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17-1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
যত officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTAADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Tamani. Jasapana Kasha Karone, Tini official Chairman TTADC time official Chief Executive Member elected Khajabiya. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রেস খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজার প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবনো সাগরে নেন। তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় খামানি প্রোগ্রাম পাইকা নেই বিকার নেই হামবাই 나가는 선조고 저기 빠르구나 아동때 아동 즉시 저도 autonomous district council high officials visitors press police প্রশাসন যতগুলো কাহাম করে তিনি 9th autonomous district council newly elected members of समायखांबोनानै जे दामबावो मेरे नाथक खलै सुबा सुरनाबाय दिनै आरो थांनाय जाखा दिनै फार्स्ट मिटिं आरो अनिर्दिष्ट कालनि बागै बाथ्रा जाखा हामबाय
Ang out kasi na. Hindi lang. Agak-agak diri ko sumber rin.
Ah,